So hello friends, welcome to the channel again. This is Amit from QuickBooks Learning. Today we will talk about how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks, how to record credit card charges in QuickBooks. And just to start with, before doing that, we have to check if the credit card has been listed, the one we have done the purchasing from, or the card which we are using on everyday basis. Let's say we go to the chart of accounts here, and on the chart of accounts we need to check the credit card if there is any credit card there or not. Like if we have to create a new one, we can do that here. Let's go and create a new credit card here. We go to edit list chart of accounts, and below that we need to click on the option which says new account. So once we have a new account window open, we will be selecting credit card here and click on continue, and there's another window pop up here which says the account type is credit card and the name of your credit card. Let's say I mention, or addition to that, you can enter the last four-digit number just to recognize like what type of card you have, or you have two cards, you can identify it from the numbers. So let's say I mention the numbers as in defaults. It's just a sample file, so we are just working accordingly. Description, any description you'd like to mention here, you can mention it. Corporate card, right? It says credit card number. If you would like to, you have to enter, but I will just skip this option here. If you are doing the online banking sort of thing, you have to enter it. Let's go and save and close. Now the next screen comes up. It set up online services to save time. That means that QuickBooks will tell you to enable the online services, so that you can download the online statements directly to the QuickBooks account. So once you have the direct services activated, online services activated, you can download the statement and you can then put them into your check register directly from the online services. On the other side, it's easy to enter those information in the QuickBooks manually, but yes, you can directly do it from the desktop QuickBooks, or if you have online subscriptions, you can do it from there as well. uh, from the straight away, you can then go to the reconcile window, and then you can do the reconciliation part. So here I'm just skipping it. I don't want to do it now. uh, it depends on all types of banks. Like if they are giving you the services for online banking services for Intuit, for QuickBooks, you can avail the services accordingly, right? So it says yes or no. I'm just skipping that, so I'm not enabling it for this credit card bank for online services, right? For online banking services. So let's go and do the credit card charges for any purchase you do it. Let's go to the banking first and click on enter credit card charges. So when we click on enter credit card charges, this window comes up here. uh, we don't have to enter. Okay, so let's say if you have purchased any office expenses relates to and you have used your credit card to purchase that, this is how we are gonna do that right now. Here is the screen which says credit card. So credit card means like the one you are using it, or you can use it the type of cards you have it in the chart of accounts. You can use it any one of them. So here I'm using the one which we have selected now. It says purchased from would be the name of the vendor, like the goods you have purchased from the vendor, the name. Let's say select kitchen bath, right? So this is one of the vendor. I've used a card, and I'm entering the charges amount. The date would be that's today's date, like the one you have purchased the product and you have used the card. So it would be, make sure the date should be correct here. It's October 17th 2025, and the amount, let's say I have purchased I've done the purchasing, or I've bought a products or an items for $100, right? and it says class if you would like to assign a class to that purchasing, or memo, we are just leaving it as blank. Memo is something like which if you would like to mention any numbers to this credit card transactions, right? It says account, so here we have to use the expense account, so it has automatically selected that, but I'm just changing it to account relates to my purchasing. That would be, let's say, equipment repairs. We can take it, or we can use tools and machinery as well, or we can make it change as miscellaneous or utilities. Let's make it as miscellaneous as an expense account, and putting that into the putting the amount, so amount will automatically pop up here. The memo will be the same, the one we would be writing here. The customer job is something which, if you would like to mention the customer name uh, here, uh, you can do that. If this customer is billable or not, you can check or uncheck it. The class is if you would like to assign any class to this uh, credit card, right? And here you have to just click on save and close at the bottom. Let me just sort this to the, we enter it, right? So once we have entered it, it will go, and you can do it from here tab as well, save and close, or you can use the keyboard enter screen. So once you click on enter screen of your keyboard, it will go and save it, right? Let me just go and close this option. So we have just closed this. You can see that I have there's a credit card charge coming up as 100 on my credit card under chart of accounts, so I have to pay this to the credit card company, right? And on the other side, like if we would like to uh, enter the, or if you would like to do the bank reconciliation for the credit card, how we gonna do that is we go to banking option, then we click on where is reconcile credit card. So there's an already an option there for that, uh, and here we select the account which we are going to do the reconcile. The statement date would be the one you are doing the reconcile for the current month, right? That would be, let's say, for November, you receive the payment, you receive the statement, and then the beginning balance here. So beginning balance would be the last month's ending balance, which comes up automatically in the under beginning balance, and ending balance is, let's say, $100, right? Or maybe if you have done a purchasing for 500 this month, last month, it's gonna come up here. Any charges if you would like to mention here, or finance charges or extra charges there, you have to assign that, again an expense account. And let's click on continue here. So when we have once we have a continue option, this window pops up. It says charges and cash advances, payments and credits. So on the both side, it should be, the amount should be equal on both the side, and there should be zero at the bottom right hand side. So differences should be zero at the bottom right hand side, right? uh, you might be able not be able to see the screen here, but that's how comes up as zero if you check it from both the ends, right? Let me see if I can, no, I'm not able to adjust the screen here, but yes, you will be able to see the differences is 400, just because we haven't mentioned the payments and credits here. If we mention the payments and credits that yes, we have paid to the credit card company, we will check it from there, and then we will go and reconcile now. So once we reconcile that, the difference would come up as zero. So we are not doing it now, because this is just a sample file just for the learning. And so that's all we have. How we can go and enter the credit card charges in QuickBooks. We can go to the banking and enter credit card charges from there, or we can and how we have created a bank account which leads to the credit card. So that's all we have today here, and there's an update for my channel as well, where you guys will be getting a discount if you purchase it from my affiliate link. That would be a discount of 30% for online QuickBooks, and the extra 1 month free for your purchase. So in total, it would be 7 months of subscription uh, with 30% of discount. 1 month would be an extra there. And just to remind you, the same process will be done with the online banking as well. The steps would be the same, the method would be the same in accounts, right? And before doing any transaction, make sure you take the backup every week, or if you have already scheduled the backup in QuickBooks, you can do that periodically, right? So once in a week, taking a backup is actually necessary for that, right? Thank you very much, and please subscribe for more videos, information videos, tutorials for QuickBooks. Thank you very much. Great day. Yeah, great day. Bye. Take care.